Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick and today I'm gonna teach you pretty quickly, I promise, how to delete and remove a theme from your online store, guys. It's gonna be super quick, it's gonna be super easy. I don't want to steal any of your time. You know how this stuff goes on YouTube, guys. So let's cut straight to the point. Down here, you can check it out on the left side actually, is your online store themes down below. So down below you can actually see themes I actually tried. I actually have here, guys, downloaded and everything, and it's plenty of them. So I want to remove some of them, guys, and how to do that? Well, it's incredibly easy. You have publish, customize out here, and on the left side is three dots. Once you press on it, you can preview your own theme, guys, or you can just rename, duplicate, and so on, edit code, blah, 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 and remove is here. This action can be undone, remove, trait, remove. That's it. Let's repeat it, guys. Percents down below, remove. Pipeline is here, team trial, because it's paid one, pretty expensive. Remove. That's it. So I hope you understand that. Watch video again if you haven't. I mean, there's nothing not to understand. Basically, guys, you have 3 clicks. I mean, what's up with you? But that's it. I mean, what you need to do again, 3 dots, remove. I just need to be careful not to remove my original one, okay? Remove, and that's it. As easy as that. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.